frame. Got my door frame in. So I just need to plumb it up, install the door. Life is good. Okay, we got some poly on the commode and on the bathroom sink. I think it looks pretty doggone good. Okay, I got another piece of furniture into the tiny house. I had to get it in here before I got the door put in. So now we will be able to sit right here and look out that window right there. See the mountainside and the deer run by. With the wood stove right there. And this is a hide-a-bed right here. This little love seat thing's a hide-a-bed. Have the door right there. Kitchen will be over there. Sweet. Thanks for watching. Keep moving forward.